Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about logistic and supply chain management. This is Ahmad Alkhatib. The agenda of this presentation will cover the following: logistics and supply chain management, the definition and the mission of each, strategy and planning for logistics, the importance of logistic management concepts, and why firms enter international markets, and the feature of the international logistics. And at the end, we will talk about the future challenges in logistics. First of all, let's define logistic and supply chain management. Logistics is the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the efficient, cost-effective flow and storage of raw materials in process, inventory, finished goods, and related information from the point of origin to the point of consumption, from the purpose of conforming to consumer requirements. This covers all the stages from having raw material, converting it, processing it, transforming it to the customer. The supply chain management, SCM, is the integration of all activities associated with the flow and transformation of goods from raw materials through to end user, as well as information flow through improved supply chain relationships to achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. Both logistic and SCM mission is to get the right goods or services to the right place at the right time and in the desired condition at the lowest cost and highest return on investment, helping both time and place utility. So the strategy and planning for logistics. What are the strategy and planning? So let's first discuss the objective of logistics strategy. It minimize cost, minimize investment, and maximize customer services. The logistic planning levels up to the strategic, to the tactical, and to the operation. So in order to have a successful logistics strategy, we have to cover the four triangle, which are inventory strategy, transport strategy, and location strategy in order to have customer service goals. Importance of logistics: it reduces economic regulation, changes the consumer behavior, technological advantages, the growing of power retailers, as well as globalization of trade. Logistic relationships with the firm: it covers the marketing, like price, promotion, place and production, length of production run, seasonal demands, supply interface, protective packages, foreign and third-party alternatives. Also, it covers other areas like finance, quality and planning. Cover the services enhancing human resource management and firm infrastructure. Logistic management processes: it start from or the input into logistic resources, HR, financial resources, and information resources, out to have output of logistic, marketing transportation, time and place utility, efficiency, etc. It's starting from supplier, raw material, on-process inventory, and finished goods to the consumer. The activities of logistics have several activities like customer services, inventory control, packaging, procurement, handling of the goods, and warehouse and storage. Logistic management concepts. There are many concepts of the logistic. We will talk about the system approach, the total cost concept, trade-off analysis, and a new source of competitive advantage. The system approach, it's related to thinking of the logistical system that flows from raw material to the end user. Inside or outside organization, the system has a common goal to improve quality, speed, and time, more relative due to technical advance, and resulting to have goods which can be a valuable competitive advantage. Total cost concept and trade-off analysis. First one is better coordinating or streamlining the logistical steps, which can significantly reduce cost. Trade-off concept, making changes in one part of the system to have the benefit in trade-off, speeding cost, time, quality, and to have win-win situation, cutting out middlemen, lower cost and greater speed. Logistic, a new source of competitive advantage. Before, the competitive advantage mean productivity advantage, cost leading, and value advantages, productive and differentiation. Now, competitive advantage mean effective SCM, like having efficient logistics and improved services delivery, which is the value advantage. In the current business environment, with competitive matching each other quality, features, and price, logistics can be a key source of competitive advantage. Why firms enter international market? First, to have market potential, to have diversification on geographical areas, exceed production capacity and lowering the cost, near end of life cycle in domestic market, source of new products and items. Feature of international logistic, have multiple operating environment, political demand risk, global competition, currency fluctuation, organizational complexity, and diversity. The future challenges on logistic, we have the get in time, logistic as a competitive weapon, logistic as a boundaries, spanning activities, globalization, and third-party logistics. Those are the references which we depend on along our presentation. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'm now opening the floor for any question. Thank you again, and goodbye.